Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Prompts That Pay is a digital playbook that teaches you how to create reusable chat-gapped image prompt templates and turn them into digital products. It walks you through the entire process, from writing a prompt recipe to packaging it and publishing it on an established online marketplace. The playbook is organized into a step-by-step system covering marketplace selection, niche research, prompt creation, listing optimization, account setup, approval, tips, and real case studies. It also includes the assembly line method, which guides you from idea generation to a finished prompt template using a structured workflow.